guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this smoky purple half cut crease look. So I hope you like it and continue watching.
Challenge only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on them. I go crazy. Lit.
So I did my eyebrows off camera using my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in neutral brown, and I cleaned my eyebrows up with my foundation, and I used my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. So I'm going to prime my eyes with my foundation. And for my transition shade, I'm going to be using my my Perfect 23 matte color eyeshadow palette. I broke it. I'm going to be using the shade right here. And now I'm going to take this brush here and I'm going to go into this shade to deepen that up a little bit. And now I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used before and I'm going to blend that out. And now I'm going to go into my box of crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is the shade Violet. I'm going to be applying that with my finger. And I'm going to place that right at the end, well, kind of like on half my eyelid. And now I'm going to take this Nicka New York Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow and Polaris Peach. I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid, kind of making a half cut crease with it. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express mascara. Okay, and I'm going to use this brush here, the same one I used on my crease, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going back in the same palette I've been using, and I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go in with this darker purple. And now I'm going to do my lower lash mascara. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my LA Colors Black Matte Eyeliner. To highlight my inner corner of my brow bone, I'm going to be using this Vital Brights Everyday Eyeshadow Collection by Milani. And I'm going to be using this yellow shade right here. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using these ones I got from AliExpress. They came in a pack of 3 and they look like this. Okay. And for eyelash glue, I'm going to be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm going to do my base off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is done. For lip liner, I'm going to be using my WetNWild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner. It's an eyeliner, but I'm going to use it as lip liner. It is in the shade Simma Brown now, so yeah. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and I think this shade is Baby Doll. Yeah. I'm going to add a little bit of this WetNWild Megalast liquid catsuit lipstick and Nudist Peach. I'm going back in with that same Milani palette that I used before to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And I'm going to use this shade right here for highlighter. And now I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using my Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you will be notified when I post a video. Follow me on all my social medias. I love you guys. Bye.
Yeah.